they're set to resume. Nice entry pass. Swatted away. Nelson gets space. And Jameer Nelson able to flip it home.
Excellent drive to the hoop there.
Brand turned it over. Here's Evans. And Maurice Evans able to put it down. That's a 10-2 run for the Magic.
Great push here, Mark. And you can feel the home crowd starting to get a little restless.
Los Angeles ball. Nelson with a block shot. And Steve Nash with the bucket. Strips it. Took it away. Nice pass inside. And Jameer Nelson off the ball. Good job by Tucker. Tucker firing. And Alonzo Tucker is able to score. Nash trying to stay in front of him. And Maurice Evans, so proficient on that catch and shoot. Got it off. And open opportunity for three. Howard ends up with it. Open opportunity. That was a three-point attempt. Evans able to reach for it. Here come the Magic. The Magic will get it back. Nelson is turned back. The Magic will get it back. Evans with a wide open shot.
Nice offensive possession, but they just couldn't get the shot to go.
And Elton Brand able to knock it down.
When you make such a quick outlet pass, Mark, the defense is unable to recover. I'll tell you what, that reminded me a lot of Bill Walton in his heyday.
Shades of Walton, Bill Russell out of West Excelsior. One time a terrific outlet pass. Nelson running the play. Here's Nelson. Not able to hit the three. Nice crossover. Graham fires.
Well, if this team wants to get back into the game, they've got to show better effort on the glass.
For three. And Jameer Nelson right back. Here's the double. Here's Nash. And Steve Nash able to hit. Nelson finds the rim, and Jameer Nelson comes up short. Tucker able to pull it back.
Well, you've got to show better balance defensively, Marv. They let the offensive team get out on the break, and they get the deuce.
Lewis looking to make his move, and Rashard Lewis showing the outside touch. Stephen, it's so rare to see a player of that size have such a good shooting touch.
Man, Mark, he shoots the ball really from above his head. A nice high release, so regardless of who's covering him, he can get a shot off any time.
Nelson handling the ball. Open shot. And Rashard Lewis able to hit. Nash pushes it down. He fires from downtown. Lewis on the rebound. Look out. Good play. And come the Lakers again.
Great defense at one end is going to lead to good shots at the other end. Certainly the case there.
With the block. Here's Nelson. Yes.
Excellent penetration there, Mark. He gets into the lane and finishes it play.
In the second quarter. Howard for the block shot.
Well, turnovers like that one has put this team in the position it's in now, trailing and really not able to get anything going offensively.
Lewis rebounds. Here's Evans. Out of the hit. Tucker able to hustle it down.
Well, it's about all you can hope for. A nice, easy attack, but they just can't make a shot.
Nelson with the jumper. Delivery to Bryant. Nash pulls it up and gets the friendly roll.
Beautiful transition basketball, the nice outlet leading to the numbers at the other end. That's how this team has built this lead.
Brand pushing it down. Here's Nash. And Steve Nash off the mark. The Magic will get it back. Orlando ball. Tucker with the strip. Got it clean. That's a 10-2 run for the Lakers.
Well, got to get a timeout here, Mark. You're on the wrong end of this run. You're already getting blown out, so time for them to gather the troops and try to figure something out here. This is getting ugly early.
Evans getting a run. Maurice Evans. And he's rejected. Here's Evans. And Maurice will put it home. Nelson with the interception. The steal. Here come the Lakers. Nelson with the rejection. Here's Evans. And stuffs. Maurice